It's a Stitch Fix day. So if you want to see what's in this pretty itty bitty box, keep watching. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name is Andrea and I like to do clothing subscription unboxings, shopping hauls, try-ons, that kind of thing. If you like that kind of content, then I hope that you will hit that subscribe button so that we can keep hanging out regularly. If you want to know when I've published a new video, hit the bell, the notification bell, and then within the YouTube app, it'll let you know when I've put out a new video. Leave me a comment, give me the like, give me the hype. I appreciate all those things because it helps me grow my channel, and I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch my video. So Stitch Fix is the OG subscription styling service. They've gone through a lot of changes, and currently it used to be you'd get 5 items. Currently, some people can choose more. They send you a preview. Anybody who does the preview can choose up to 8. There's a $20 styling fee. I am grandfathered into the Style Pass, and that's a one-time fee. Either if you pay by the box or you have that Style Pass, whatever you've paid for that will get deducted from what you purchase. I have some sad news about Stitch Fix. My stylist, Marcia, is no longer with Stitch Fix. And Marcia has been my stylist, I want to say, for maybe 3 years. And I was really frustrated with Stitch Fix. And she watched my videos and said, I can style you. So I requested her, and she really turned things around. She's just did a great job for me these years. And I'm sad that I'm not going to have her as my stylist anymore. But fingers crossed that I will get a good new stylist. Let's see. One of the things that you can do with Stitch Fix, they have the freestyle, which is where you can just go in and purchase things, and they send it to you, and I think you have like 30 days to return it. But you can also go into freestyle and say, add this to a fix. Now, you're supposed to be guaranteed that that will go into your next fix and that will kick off a fix for you. But I had a time when I said, add this to my fix, and they didn't. They still sent me a preview. Sorry, I'm going to get, this is getting confusing. So I saw a sweater that I liked, and I said, add this to my fix. And they sent me also a preview of other things that I wanted to include. When they first did the add this to my fix, you didn't get a preview. Your stylist just picked the other items for you. But now they have the option where they'll send you a preview. So I can see that we've got some jewelry in here. And there is my bundle. And that is the item that I requested. It is a really cute looking sweater. They are including coupons, and there is a bag to send back what you don't want to keep, including a USPS label, but you do have other options in terms of how you can return things. I think you can print out a FedEx or a UPS label. Just taking a quick look. My new stylist name is Sarah, so I will read that note in a minute so we can get to know something about my new stylist, but let's go ahead and get into the bundle. Okay, so on top, I remember choosing this from the preview. It's this pretty white sweater. It is from Marley Bracken. It is the Louise Knitted sweater. It's a very lightweight sweater. It's got this detail where the buttons, it's like that. And the same thing at the neckline. It's got a little bit of a gathered sleeve of the shoulder, and it's very soft. Let's see what it's made of. I know some of you like me to do that, and I often forget. Viscose, polyester, and polyamide. And the writing is small enough that it's hard for me to tell you the percentages. Okay, and next up we have the Fortune and Ivy Estrella Keyhole Mixed Material Blouse in this very pretty red. It looks like a 3/4 length sleeve. It's got this metal thing at the neck. I feel like that's kind of a dated look. I do like the pleating, but I feel like the metal thing at the neck is kind of a dated look. It's got the knitted stretchy back and then the kind of crepey front. Not loving that. Okay, this is by 41 Hawthorn. This is the Sasha Peplum Crewneck cardigan in purple. This is the item that I said add to my fix. Thought it was super cute. You know, a sweater, but unique with the peplum. I just think that is so cute. It feels like cotton. Let's see if it is. 60 cotton, 40 polyester. So I'm excited to try that one on. And then we've got By Artemis Natasha Bootcut pants. It's not a jean. Is it like a twill? It's got some stretch in it. It's got that kind of unique front there. These are cute. I like the color and they are cute. All right, and then we've got some jewelry. And it is a pack of earrings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different pairs of earrings. A couple green, black. Those are pretty, but I don't really need earrings right now. I just got myself a pair. I did a, I like these best. I like those a lot. But I don't think that I will be keeping these. I did a shopping overnight. If you're new to my channel, sometimes I will go shopping, check into a hotel, order room service or DoorDash, watch chick flicks, just have kind of a little mini vacation. And then usually the next day I go out and have brunch or order room service, DoorDash, and do some more shopping. This time, because I had early dinner plans the second day, I did not do the shopping the second day, but I'm going to be making a video about the things I got for that. All right, I will hang these up, show you my outfit of the day, and then try them on. I'm excited to try that sweater and those pants on. I think those are the two things I'm most excited about. All right, let's get started. Gosh, I always forget this. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix, I'll leave my link below, and that will get you $25 off your first purchase. It waives the styling fee, and then you get $25 off. And I also get credit. Usually it's $25. So if you do that, I really, really appreciate it. I'm trying to think. There was, oh, and if you haven't checked out my Etsy shop, I make handmade baby quilts, and I have that link below also in the description, and I'd love it if you check out my shop. All right, let's get started. Okay, today I am wearing silver straight leg jeans. I got these from Amazon, and this is a cashmere, Mongolian cashmere v-neck from Quince. And if you haven't tried Quince's cashmere, you definitely want to check it out. So this is my outfit of the day. Let's try on clothes. Okay, so I realized that I forgot to read the stylist note, and I did want to read it since I have a new stylist. Hi Andrea, so happy you kicked this fix off with the Peplum cardigan from your freestyle shop. Such a pretty layer for winter. It pairs beautifully with the off-white sweater you selected in preview, and it's a great deal right now. Or try it over the keyhole blouse for a polished pop of color. I saw your feedback. No wide legs, no hoodies, no short sleeves this time of year. Plus you're hunting for nice joggers. Thanks for the clarity. I'll prioritize joggers in your next fix. For now, the navy bootcut pants, brand new in our assortment, give you a clean, not wide silhouette to wear with a cardigan or the keyhole blouse. Throw a pair of the 5-piece earring set on with any of these outfits. Tell me how these fits feel and which fabrics you prefer so I can refine your jogger search next time. Don't forget the rest of the fam. I also want to let you know you can get $30 off an adult's first fix and 20% off a kid's first fix when you add profiles to your account, and the styling fees on us. So easy to shop for everyone in one place. Okay, so love this sweater. It feels really good. The cotton poly blend is very comfortable. Love the color and love the silhouette. I do think I'm gonna see if I can get it in, what size is this? This is an extra small petite. So I think I'm gonna see if I can get it in a small, because I do feel like the buttons are pulling a little bit. And the way she described it, it would be like I was wearing this open, but I like it buttoned up. So I'll come up closer. The jeans, I really love the color. I love the fit. I hate the length. It's not even actually the length. It's like the flare with the length. I just feel like it's super, super awkward. And here comes Lucy. So some of you know that I have a senior kitty. This is my Lucy, and she is 18 years old, and some of my viewers like to see her. So, all right, Lucy. So this is the outfit, and you can see, I just don't like the way the pants wing out like that. If they had been a straight leg, I probably would have kept them even if it's length, but I don't like that at all. Okay, let's come up and discuss each piece. So this is the sweater, and you can see I need a bigger size because it's pulling. It is so cute. I'm sad that I will have to try to exchange it, and fingers crossed that they have it in a small, because I want to wear it right away. I just think it is adorable. And that's from the side, the back. Lucy probably wants me to feed her. She gets fed on demand. We pull out her food whenever she wants it. So what do you think of this? Pretty color. Like I said, I love the silhouette, and yeah, I'm gonna check and see if they have it in a small. All right, let's talk about the pants. Quiet, Lucy. So this may be in style, this kind of shorter flared look, but I don't like it. And I do like the front. I like kind of the stitching. I feel like it fits well. I just don't like the bottom. So that's the first outfit. Let's keep going. So this is the red top, and it's a pretty color. It's got the rounded hem. It is the mixed material. The front it comes down lower than the back. It is got the kind of 3/4 length sleeve. Yeah, I don't love this. I feel like this metal thing is a very dated look, and it just looks like it doesn't look very modern or trendy at all. And I don't follow trends unless they speak to me, but I like a classic look, and I don't feel like this is a classic look. It just looks dated to me. But okay, let's try on that other white sweater. So Sarah, my new stylist, suggested pairing these two together, and I do not think that it is an awesome look, but I did want to show you what it would look like if you wore this cardigan open like this. And I think with the right top underneath it, I think that would be a cute look too. I don't feel like this is the right top to go under it. You could also, just do one button like that. I love this sweater. I hope they have it in small. So this is the other sweater. Okay, I'll come feed you in a minute. And I'm wearing a black bra under, and I think you kind of can see that. Not too badly though. I feel like in real life you can. So that's the detail on the side here. Comes up a bit high, and it is a bit snug, so if you have issues, and that kind of thing doesn't usually bother me. I don't usually wear turtlenecks just because I feel like it emphasizes my aging neck. But this is kind of bothering me. I'm feeling it, I'm thinking about it. So I'm thinking for that reason, this is gonna be a no. It's a nice weight. I love the details. I think those are so pretty, but this is bugging me. So let's do prices and a recap. Okay, I think that was a pretty decent first fix for my new stylist. Hopefully as she gets to know me, they'll get better. If you notice, I am wearing a different top than I had before, and that's because I'm filming another video right after this, and I just don't want to trash my hair because pulling on and off really messes my hair up. So I have got the Fortune and Ivy Estrella keyhole Airette blouse, I think it is, and this is $45. And yeah, I felt like that was a dated look. So that's a no. The Kevia Marley 5-piece earring set is $25.97. So I guess that anything that ends in 97 like that means that it's on sale, which, that's a good deal, but I just don't need earrings right now. The Bracken Louise Knitted sweater is $24.97, which is an awesome price. But the high neck, while I said it doesn't usually bother me, it was tight enough, and it was it feels really soft, but right up against my neck like that, it did feel a little itchy. So unfortunately, that's going to be a no. The 41 Hawthorn Sasha Peplum Crewneck cardigan is $55. I had thought this was $49 when I ordered it. Anyway, I love it. So a friend sent me some money for Christmas, so I'm going to go ahead and get that. And then last we have the blue By Artemis Natasha Bootcut Pant. And these are $49, which is an awesome price. I don't know, maybe I'll try them on with some, I didn't like the way they winged out. So yeah, I think I'll send those back too. So hopefully they have this in a small, and I'll be checking that as soon as I'm done filming. And I will be keeping it. And that's my Stitch Fix with my new stylist. Let me know what you thought. Leave me a comment. And yeah, I'm gonna wrap this up so I can film my other video. All right, hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you enjoyed seeing Lucy. And if you didn't, don't tell me. You don't need to tell me. All right, guys, until next time, don't forget to dress like you mean it.